I've been analyzing why water enters our nose. I had to take a video and slow it down to figure it out so I could give you an easy solution, and I finally got it. But first, we need to understand why water enters your nose and why it is so painful. Water doesn't enter your nose when you're facing down. That is, if you don't inhale. This is because there is air that won't let it pass. But when you move your head to breathe, in that little space of time when your head is sideways, but not out of the water yet, those bubbles escape your nose and they go to the surface, and water goes into your nose. The same thing can happen when you come back from taking a breath. It is painful because inside your nose there are a lot of nerve endings. It is warm, and because it is a salty environment. The water of the pool is cold and not salty. That is why it hurts. But how come more experienced swimmers don't get water up their noses while swimming? Sometimes we do, but the main reason is that we are so used to our nose being around water that we have an immediate reflex of blowing bubbles out. So, how can you, a beginner, start developing that reflex without pain? It is simple. Start practicing with the nose clip. Water will not enter your nose. You will start learning how to breathe through your mouth, and since your mouth is more accustomed to being around water, you will intake less water or maybe nothing at all. Before you start thinking, but hey, I already look ridiculous enough with the swim cap and goggles. I don't need a nose clip. You're right, but even the best Olympic swimmers use it too. So you're in great company. They usually use it for backstroke for another reason that we will go over in another video. Once you get used to breathing through your mouth, you can start doing drills without the nose clip like these. Click here to watch a video about this in more detail. You can find these everywhere. I like these ones because they're cheap, durable, and simple. Don't spend a lot of money though. They all do the same thing. If you found this video helpful, here's a playlist with more of our videos. Visit our webpage if you want a cool swim cap like this. This guy wants to be on the video. Thanks for watching. See you next Friday. Swim fast. Hey.